we also we strive to make sure that we make people better in terms of their work. So the services that we provide is to enhance your work. We've also opened this Smartcast by NALO. It's also another, let me say SECA. It's also another means to also empower people and also give them the opportunity to excel at what they do and promote you to the world. So this is our maiden one, and I would like to say a big congratulations to all those who participated. Even if you don't or you didn't win the award, know that the fact that you have actually participated means that you are a potential. And it's not only award winners that excel, it's all about your consistency and your drive. So I want to encourage all of you to still keep up the good work. And I'm sure in the next year or some few years' time, we'll have a session again and we will see the growth and the impact that has all come out of this.